Today, I'm honored to stand before you and telling about a topic that defines the future of a nation. And the topic is the strength of youth, the strength of mind, because I'm also a youth. So, without further ado, let's embark on this. Well, youth is not a stage of life. It is the source of extraordinary energy and creativity. It is the period when the ideas are boldest and the desire to make difference are greatest. When the years of a nation rise with purpose, the nation rises itself with them. That strength shapes the present, builds the foundation of brighter future. An educated and skilled youth can transform challenges into responsibilities. Youth strength grows when the knowledge meets with discipline and honesty. And the courage is not the absence of fear. It is the determination to move forward despite fear. The courage defines the character and the capability of youth. Youth becomes meaningful when it's guided by the responsibilities, ethics, and honesty, and also for respect for others. Youth is the hope of every generation. So believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, so that you can create your better future. Someone says youth is the backbone of a nation. As we know, no one can stand without her backbone. So like that, without the youth, the nation can't stand strongly. So believe in your strength, believe in your dreams. Because when you become strong, when I become strong, the nation can unstoppable. So let's encourage every young person to dream big and rise with honesty and integrity. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.